Hi, welcome to second grade. I'm Mrs. Avey. We're going to be shaking it up this year. Come on in and see your classroom. When you come in, you notice the desks are 3 feet apart. I do have items on your desk that will go over the first day of school. You'll also have a name tag on your desk. Over here will be our classroom jobs, our smart board, our calendar, my teacher desk, and the library reading area is in the back of the room. I've been teaching for 21 years and I've been married for 22. I have 2 great kids. My daughter Maddie is 20 and my son Zachary is 16 and he's a junior down at the high school. This is going to be a different year, but it's going to be a great year. We're going to have a lot of fun, learn a lot of new things, and get to explore so many different things as well. Now, this is what I look like without my mask. In the morning when you come in, I'm going to have my mask on, and this is how I'll look. You'll have to wear your mask too, but don't worry, we'll take mask breaks where you can take your mask off and breathe in a little bit of fresh air. We are using Seesaw this year, so you can contact me through that. I put a paper in your welcome packet. If you have any questions, please call the school and they can get a hold of me, or we'll use Seesaw. Thanks for coming to our open house. I can't wait to see you Tuesday, September 8th. Enjoy the rest of your summer. You have 1 week left. Bye.